Today we are discussing question and answer for AWS Cloud Practitioner CLF. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is, what is the differences between Amazon S3 and Amazon Glacier? Correct answer is Amazon S3, object storage service designed for storing and retrieving any amount of data at any time. It offers high availability and low latency. Amazon Glacier, low cost storage service for data achieving and long term backup. It is optimized for infrequently accessed data for and offers cheaper storage costs compared to Amazon S3 with longer retrieval times. Next question is, how can you monitor AWS resources and services? Correct answer is AWS provides several monitoring and logging services including Amazon CloudWatch monitoring service for AWS cloud resources and applications with metrics, logs and alarms. AWS CloudTrail service that records API calls and related events for AWS accounts. AWS Config service that provides AWS resources, inventory configuration, history and configuration change notifications. Next question is, what is AWS IAM roles? Correct answer is AWS IAM roles are a secure way to grant permissions to entities that you trust. Roles are similar to users, but they are meant to be assumed by AWS services or federated users instead of being associated with a specific person. They enable you to delegate access with defined permissions to resources securely. Next question is, explain the difference between Amazon RDS Multi AZ deployment and read replica. Correct answer is Multi AZ deployment provides high availability by automatically replicating the primary database to a standby instance in a different availability zone. It is used for failover support. Read replica creates a copy of your database is in another AWS region or availability zones for read heavy workloads. It improves read performance and can be promoted to a standalone database in case of failure. Next question is, what is AWS Lambda cold start? Correct answer is AWS Lambda functions are executed in a stateless environment, and when a function is invoked after being idle, it might experience a cold start. A cold start refers to the initialization time it takes for a function to start executing. This initialization includes loading the function code, resources, and dependencies. Next question is, how can you secure data at rest in AWS? Correct answer is, you can secure data at rest in AWS by encryption. Using AWS Key Management Service (KMS) to manage encryption keys and encrypting data before storing it in AWS services like Amazon S3 and Amazon EBS. Access control: implementing IAM policies, bucket policies, and ACLS to control access to stored data. Regular audits: monitoring access and usage of data and performing regular security audits.